Hello. We discuss here next second effect. We already discussed that electronic effects. Out of that, first is we completed, that is inductive effect. Then after inductive effect, next effect is electromagnetic effect or polarizability effect. See here, what is that electromagnetic effect or polarizability effect? If we consider CH2 double bond CH2 double bond CH2, ethene, and in presence of polar reagent, here they written on reaction only reagent, but that reaction must be polar reagent. Then that gives equilibrium with, that is one is equilibrium with dipole ion of ethene, that is CH2 single bond CH2. Out of that, one carbon is positive, another is negative. Then what is the electromagnetic effect or polarizability effect? It is temporary shifting of pi bond. Remember that pi electrons are loosely held electrons, and therefore temporary shifting of pi electrons towards one of the atom that is that pi bond is between the two atoms, that pi bond shifted towards out of the two atoms towards one of the atom. That shifting results in development of negative charge on one of the atom and positive charge on another atom. Such development of positive and negative charge by shifting of pi electrons in presence of polar solvents is known as polarizability effect or electromagnetic effect. And this shifting is represented by arrow, that is that electron shifting, and that double headed arrow. That double headed arrow head indicate that electron shifted towards this atom, and that on which electron shifts, that atom acquire negative charge, while another atom which loses that electrons, that acquire positive charge. That is, loss of electrons results in positive charge on one of the atom, and gain of electron results in negative charge on one of the atom. Then this effect is again as like inductive effect. This effect also classified into two types, that is plus E effect and minus E effect. Plus E effect, E means electromagnetic effect, therefore capital E is used. That plus E effect means electron attracting effect. In this case, that electron are attracted towards one of the atom, and that atom carries negative charge because of that additional electron. That atom pulls that electrons, that attracts electron towards itself, and because of that additional electron coming on that atom results in development of negative charge, and therefore results in plus I effect. And that plus I electron attracting effect, and another is minus I effect, that is electron repelling effect. Here attracting effect, that group towards which electron attracted, that on attracting electrons, because of that additional electrons on that atom, that atom acquire negative charge, while electron repelling effect means that another atom which loses electrons, which repel electrons, which pushes electron towards that another atom, that atom acquire positive charge. Here if pi bond is in between two similar atoms like carbon carbon, then there is no any criteria for which atom become negative and which atom become positive. Surrounding groups we consider, but if CH2 double bond CH2 is there, then no any criteria which carbon become positive and which become negative. But instead of that H hydrogens, if that double bond is substituted double bond, then which carbon become positive, which carbon become negative, that depends on that groups, their nature of that groups present on that double bond. Then if that double bond is in between two different atoms, different type of atoms, then that electronegative, more electronegative atom acquire negative charge, and less electronegative atom acquire positive charge. For example, in cyanide, CN, that nitrogen actually acquire negative charge, carbon acquire positive charge. In case of carbon double bond oxygen, oxygen is more electronegative, therefore oxygen acquire negative charge than carbon acquire positive charge. This is about electromagnetic effect. There are some differences given here between inductive and electromagnetic effect. We already discussed both of that effects. Then next effect is resonance effect. Resonance effect. See here, if we consider benzene, then benzene consists of 3 pi bonds, and that pi bonds are delocalized, that are not steady, they are moving. That is, for fraction of time, benzene molecule exists in structure number 1, while another fraction of time it exists in structure number 2. What is difference? Location of that pi bonds. Sometimes those bonds in first structure which are double, that become in next fraction of second time that becomes single. Means benzene is resonance hybrid of two structures, and therefore it can for every time it is not possible to represent both structures of benzene, and we cannot that is not easy to represent both structures so as to return the structure of benzene. Therefore it is written in form 3, which is hybrid structure, which represent hybrid structure. And this phenomena where resonance is defined on this basis as resonance is a phenomena by which several structures can be written for polyatomic molecule like benzene, or ion having identical position of atoms. Such several structures can be written such that all that structures are assumed to contribute to the real structure. All that structures contribute to real structure, but none of the single structure is able to represent complete structure, complete molecule. That is, this phenomena is known as resonance. In simple word, remember what is resonance. In simple word, resonance is nothing but delocalization of pi electrons in conjugated systems. This is only definition, remember all of you. Delocalization of pi electrons in conjugated systems. In this book, that so much lengthy definition is given, but remember this small definition. Delocalization of pi electrons or pi bonds in conjugated systems is known as resonance. Then rules for writing the resonance structures. Resonance exists only in unsaturated molecules in which there is conjugation must be present. Conjugation, what is conjugation? Alternate double and single bonding. See here in benzene, conjugation, single, double, single, double, single, double. Such type of alternation is known as conjugation. And first rule for conjugation is that, first rule for resonance is that system must be conjugated. System must be conjugated. Second, resonance structures have same position of atoms but should differ in position of double bonds. Only different moment of pi bonds, therefore moment of double bonds, and therefore all atomic skeleton remains constant, remains same. Then third is resonance structures are interconvertible. That is one or more electron by bond shifting that structures can be converted into one another. Then fourth one is atoms involved in resonance must be in same plane. Same plane. Planarity is important. Then so as to that pi bond overlapping, that pi orbitals must be in the same plane, and therefore planarity is important for conjugation and resonance. Then the resonance structures do not actually exist, they are hypothetical structures. That is, it is not possible to separate one of the form because that are interconvertible. Therefore resonance structures do not actually exist, that are hypothetical structures. That resonance is identical by double headed indicated by, resonance is indicated by double headed arrow, double headed arrow between that, two structures. Then the actual molecule is represented by resonance hybrid, which is the average of resonance structures. Average of resonance structure, as like benzene, we know that there are two structures, and that one is represented by third structure, which is average structure, which is also known as hybrid structure. Then in this way, resonance effect again classified into two types. Here different examples are given so as to explain that resonance, that is nothing but that movement of pi electrons, pi bonds. Sometime if lone pair of electrons are or negative charge electrons are in conjugation with double bonds, then that are also participate in resonance, and that also move as like that double bond. Then resonance effect also are of two types, that is plus R effect and minus R effect. Where plus R effect means that if donation resonance effect and in withdrawing resonance effect, group which pulls electron towards itself, and that atom pulls electron itself, more electron atom pulls electron pi electron itself and get acquire negative charge, that said to possess minus R effect. And groups which possess which loses electron, which pulls which pushes electron towards more electronegative atom, that group said to here possess plus R effect, that is donating resonance effect, and which withdraw or pulls, that pulling effect is minus R effect, that is in withdrawing resonance effect. Remember that. Then next effect is hyperconjugation effect. We discuss hyperconjugation effect during next lecture. Thank you.